Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. I know it's been a while. I got some exciting shit going on though. I think it was last week. Hell, I keep forgetting the time, but either last week or the week before, I got my FDF Mantis angle kit installed on the G35. So today we're at my buddy's shop, Frank, of course, and we're getting my rear tires flipped because tonight is Midnight Madness, and it's the perfect time to test out the angle kit and see how it feels, because I'm going from the GK Tech budget kit straight to the Mantis kit, so I'm hyped for it. But with that being said, this will be practice, or basically getting a feel for the car, because next week we're going to Xenia, Ohio for Kill Care's No Star Bash. 3-day drift event, nothing but tandem trains all day. I'm so stoked for it. So yeah, so we're gonna get that done, and we'll catch you guys at the track. All right guys, well, we are officially at the track. Kind of hard to see, but either way, we're about to get through the gate, get teched in, and I'll probably show you guys the angle one more time if I didn't already show you guys. And then yeah, and then time to send it, see how this kit feels.
And then what?
All right guys, we're all in, we're all teched. So I mean, there's nothing really else left to do but to actually go out and you know, try it out, right? So I'm gonna go out there and do my first runs, and then hopefully I'll feel good enough to actually tandem with Frank.
This dude's gonna love it.
I'm hoping, but here we go guys, that's what you're about to see.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm actually drifting right this second.
I'll call you back.
Well, that was the first two runs. I think I'm still trying to figure out how to adjust from the old kit to this one. I think I'm trying to give it too much angle, and it's causing me to have a whole bunch of bobbles. I am not looking smooth at all. But here's hoping I can figure it out, and you guys will see that now. Well, at least now I know what I was doing wrong.
Right? Trial and error, bro.
You know what that also means?
What's that?
I have a fuck ton more angle than I
A
thought I did.
fuckload. You can throw that bitch in. Now time to toy with it.
Yeah, now I want to fucking send it. Like whenever we did the whole straightaway and
Yeah.
we went around, I thought it was gonna spin, but it went and like caught it. I was like, oh.
Yeah, that was nice.
All right, guys, you guys just saw a few laps. I'm not looking too hot, honestly. I'm still working on figuring out basically the amount of lock I have. I keep basically going straight to full lock too quick. 1 second.
On the right, but only by 7/100ths of
Well, guys, I am starting to get really discouraged, which is sad. I literally got less than a week until, well, right at a week until No Star Bash, complete new angle kit, and I can't drive it that well, so getting nervous. We're gonna go back out though. Well, alright guys, I'm gonna go give a few more people some rides, and then I'm probably gonna call it. Like I said, today was just kind of a test day because I just got the angle kit, and this is literally my first time drifting it with this kit, period. So it's good to have this experience before I go to No Star. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna have to start in C group and get more comfortable with my car before I start jumping into some crazy trains. So, but either way, catch you guys next time.